Hello, what's up, guys? My name is Lungming Lepcha, and I'm going to teach you all about half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. So, introduction. A rectifier is an electric device that converts the alternating current, which periodically reverses the direction into the direct current, which flows in one direction. This process is known as rectification, as we all know. There are two types of rectifier. One is the half wave rectifier and another is full wave rectifier. So half wave rectifier. So half wave rectifier is the process of removing one half of the input signal to establish a DC level is half wave rectification. In half wave rectification, the rectifier conducts current during positive half cycle of input AC signal only. Negative half cycle is suppressed. So this is the half wave rectifier diagram where there is crystal diode present and there is an AC supply which is the source which is the source operation. AC voltage across terminal AB changes its polarity after each half cycle. During negative half cycle, terminal A is negative, so diode is reverse biased and conducts no current. So current flows through diode during positive half cycle only. In this way, current flows through load RL in one direction only. Output frequency of half wave rectifier. Output frequency of half wave rectifier is equal to input frequency. This means when input AC completes one cycle, rectified wave also completes one cycle. F out equals to F in. So now advantages and disadvantages of half wave rectifier. Advantages. The circuit of half wave rectifier is simple and of low cost. Disadvantages. The pulsating current in output contains AC components whose frequency is equal to supply frequency, so filtering is needed. Number 2, the AC supply delivers power during half cycle only, so output is low. Now let's move on to full wave rectifier. In full wave rectifier, rectification current flows through the load in the same direction for both half cycle of input AC. This can be achieved with two diodes working alternatively. For half wave, uh, one diode supplies current to load, and for next half cycle another diode works. So this is the full wave bridge rectifier diagram where there are four diodes. Full wave bridge rectifier. In full wave bridge rectifier, four diodes are arranged in the form of bridge. The main advantage of this bridge circuit is that it does not require a special center-taped transformer. The single secondary winding is connected to one side of the diode bridge network and the load to the other side. Output frequency of full wave rectifier. Output frequency of full wave rectifier is equal to the double of input frequency. This means when input AC completes one cycle, rectified wave completes two cycles. F out equals to 2F in. Now, advantages and disadvantages of full wave rectifier. Advantages: number 1, need for center tape transformer is eliminated. Number 2, output is twice than that of input. Disadvantages: requires 4 diodes. Internal resistance is twice than that of center-taped circuit.